Look at these dramatic, radiant Rivoli earrings. They sparkle and shine and have a beautiful, almost corset-like detail on the back. I love how they turned out, and they're so enjoyable to make. I'm glad it's a pair, and I hope you enjoy making them too. Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet. This rich gold and blue color palette was inspired from one of Eureka Crystal Beads collections, and I have an official partnership with Eureka Crystal Beads. I'll leave my affiliate link below in the video description so you can check out this beautiful mix of beads, along with all the individual supplies that you would need to make these earrings. You're going to need 8 of these 2-hole Paisley duo beads and 10 4mm round pearls. And these are the Miyuki drop seed beads in the 2x8mm size. You'll need a total of 12. Size 11 DELICA beads. And a drop for the bottom. This is a 6mm FIREPOLISH, along with size 8 seed beads, and I like these to be in a color to match the drop. Here in the center we have this super sparkly 12mm Rivoli, a wire guard, and an ear wire. All the beads here came from Eureka Crystal Beads Locked Away Collection Light. And I'll be using Fireline. It's just an 8-pound or 6-pound, along with a size 12 beading needle. And you can go ahead and start with 4 feet of thread on your needle. First you need all the pearls, and for the Paisley duos, go ahead and arrange them in the order that you're going to pick them up. It might make it easier when it comes to using the 2-hole beads. First, you'll need the 3 pearls, and then come through the smaller end of your Paisley duo. 2 more pearls, and then the smaller end of this Paisley duo here. And I'm just going to bring that down near the end of my thread to get it off the needle, and just pick up the rest of the beads, the 3 pearls. And then you'll want to needle through this Paisley duo, 2 more pearls, and add your last Paisley duo. You'll have all your beads on the thread near the tail, and then without tying any knots, just come into the first 3 pearls, the first Paisley duo, and 1 pearl after it, and pull that all into a loop. This loop is going to be very loose, and as soon as we start adding the beads, it will tighten up without putting a knot. Now you're going to need all of the size 8 seed beads and some of the DELICA beads. You'll need 1 DELICA, 1 size 8 and 1 DELICA. Exiting this pearl, needle through the other side of the pearl that you're exiting. I have to pull on the tail to tighten it up when I hold it. And you have the 3 seed beads here. They're going to end up sitting on top of the pearl. Needle through the next pearl. And this time pick up 1 DELICA and 1 size 8. Pass down through this DELICA here, pulling those on top of the other pearl, and then needle back through that pearl and your Paisley duo. And if it gets a little slack in it, just pull your tail to hold it together. We'll do the same on all the pearls here. You come through the first one. That's when you need to pick up a DELICA 8 and DELICA. Needle back through the same pearl, and you can come into the one after it at the same time. 1 DELICA and 1 size 8 through this DELICA here, and then back through the next 2 pearls. Again, 1 DELICA, 1 size 8, coming down through this DELICA, and then needle back through the pearl and your Paisley duo. Again, just pull on the tail to tighten it up as needed. So repeat that for the next 2 sets, same way. This side and this one. And after adding all of those, come back through the pearl and the Paisley duo after it. Come through 1 more pearl and up through the DELICA, and then step into the size 8 seed bead. Now that you're exiting a size 8 seed bead, you're going to place 1 DELICA bead between every size 8. So exiting this 8, come into the next one. You can pull those together tighter in just a minute. Let's put another DELICA between the next 8s, another DELICA through the next 8. Now at this point, go ahead and pull that together a little tighter. So just adding a DELICA through every 8. The corners don't seem to tighten up until you get a few beads away from it. So keep going. Just 1 DELICA through every 8. Continue around. Now you have a DELICA between every size 8. Retrace this inner ring of 8s and DELICAs 1 time. After retracing this top section, come out one of the DELICAs here past the first size 8 on the side with 3 pearls. Needle through this DELICA down towards the pearls and needle through the middle pearl. So this is where the 12mm Rivoli will sit. Wait until you turn it over and see how perfectly that sits right there in the center of all these pearls and Paisley duos. And the back is really pretty too. Let's go ahead and close up the back. You'll need 5 DELICAs. Needle back through the pearl that your thread is exiting. Now we're going to come all the way through to this pearl. You can hold the Rivoli in or take it out, either way you want to do it. So come through the 2 pearls and pick up 7 of the DELICAs and needle back through the 2 pearls. And then needle through the next Paisley duo and 2 pearls after it. Again, 5 DELICAs, just like this side. Come back through the pearl that your thread is exiting, plus the one after it. We're going to add the 7 seed beads here, so come through the Paisley duo and needle through the 2 pearls and add 7 seed beads by coming back through those 2 pearls. Now that we've added this group of 7 seed beads, we need to needle right over here to this 3rd one in this group, come through the Paisley duo and the next pearl, and come up through the 3rd seed bead. Go ahead and put the Rivoli back here in the middle, pushing it down so it sits right there between all the pearls. We're going to be folding in our little groups of seed beads. I really love the way the back of the earring turns out. It reminds me of a little corset. So pick up 2 more DELICAs and needle through the middle DELICA here in this group, which will be the 4th one up. Start pulling that together. 2 more DELICAs. Coming through the middle one in this group, which is also the 3rd one up. Pulling it together. 2 more DELICAs. Right here through this middle one, which is the 4th one over. And 2 more DELICAs back here through the one that we started at. We're just going to retrace this section right here of the DELICAs. And each time you come through, pull it tight. Just keep coming through the DELICAs And really, once you come all the way around them one time, really tightens it up. To get ready for the next step, we need to come over here to one of the Paisley duos with our needle going through it this direction. I'm going to continue through 2 more of the delicas here in the center of the back, and then come through the 3 towards the Paisley duo, hiding that thread right there between them, and needle through the Paisley duo. You can attach a needle to the tail and weave it through. Such a cute little bezel so far. Can't wait to finish up. We are going to just come down through this next hole of the Paisley duo. And we'll be picking up our next beads with this configuration. Needle through the next hole of your Paisley duo and pull those between. Pick up 4 of the drop beads. Come up the DELICA here on the side. I do like to try to push this first one down towards my mat, this one up, down and up. Come through this size 8 here on the top of the bezel, and then step down through the DELICA, adding 4 more of the drop beads through the Paisley duo. You can always just nudge them into place with your needle. The Paisley duo, size 8, and Paisley duo coming through here. I'll turn this in my hand to work on the other side. The 4 drop beads coming up through the DELICA, through the 8, and back down 1 DELICA. The 4 drop beads up here through your Paisley duo, size 8, and next Paisley duo. I have a little slack in my tension, so I'm going to go back around this real quick. I just went back around really quick. That really helped get rid of the slack. Now you can pick up 2 delicas and come into the next hole of your Paisley duo, coming through the Paisley duo. And we'll do the drop at the bottom next. That's 2 delica beads, your drop, which I'm using the fire polish, and 1 more of the drop seed beads, and bring those up next to everything. Skip your bead on the end, needle back through the fire polish, and 1 delica above it. And then pick up 1 more delica, come into the other Paisley duo, and you might have to just adjust it with your fingers, picking up 2 more of the delicas. Come back through the Paisley duo, 8 and Paisley duo. Okay, now we just need to retrace the edge, coming up here, back through the Paisley duo, the drop beads, maybe just 2 at a time. Don't forget to come up the delica, through the 8, down the delica, and through the Paisley duos, the 8 and next Paisley duo, and then 2 delicas, come through the top hole of the Paisley duo. Originally, I thought I was going to use a wire guard, but with this type of earring finding, I believe it will sit right here just fine without one. Adding the ear wire, 2 more delicas, and come back through the lower hole of your Paisley duo, through the 8, coming out the other end over here, and retrace this part 1 time, and then come down. The great thing about a nice pair of earrings is that you get to make it 2 times. Just needle through some of the beads here, and then retrace this inner circle and trim off your thread. And as always, I hope you have a beautiful day.